has been created, so we're going to fill up hair over the area that's less density, and then in between you have a lot of hair. So the way the doctor is going to place the hair will be a very special way that I know how to do it. So a little bit here at the crown area, and then the front. Of course you got hair here, but I have given you about 1.5 cm higher the hairline, so that it will match as you grow older. You do not want to have a lower hairline as you age. Let's say you're at your 41, 61 and the hairline does not match your face, because remember that the transplanted hair that we take and put for the hairline here is permanent. It does not recede as you grow older. So it's so important that this hairline will suit for you as you age. Alright, so this is what I have done. You may not appreciate now, but when later in your life, maybe you're 50, you're 40 something, when you look at your hairline, you'll say, Dr. Inder has done a fantastic job for me. Alright, so beautiful hairline creator, and fill up hair. And if you look at your donor area, the beautiful donor capacity, you know, like don't have to worry, even your barber will not know after you've done this hair restoration.